My name is Brett Dickey. I'm the Vice President of Technical Services here at Empire. We're here at Empire Airlines in Hayden, Idaho. We've got basically two operations here. This is our headquarters for our airline operation, and then across the street we have Empire Aerospace, where we do our heavy maintenance on our aircraft. Basically, Intermax was able to come up with a solution for us out here in the middle of a field in Idaho to have high-speed internet without bringing fiber optic lines out here. I don't fully understand it. It's like a microwave. There's a dish here and a dish in Rathdrum and a dish on Canfield Mountain, I think, or something like that. But I know it's fast and we have very good speed. Yes, we've got a backup server on offsite for in case of a disaster, replication basically. That's really nice to know that we have that. A lot of our records are being digitized and they're aircraft records, which are important that we have backed up and that we don't lose. So. One thing they've kind of gone above and beyond with was they come to us with solutions to problems we sometimes haven't even encountered yet. So maybe they've dealt with it with one of their other customers or something like that, and they've been really good, and to me that's above and beyond. I would, and I would recommend Intermax because they're local. That's really the main reason we enjoy having them so much and using their services is knowing they're here, they're local, they're easy to get in touch with. We've got people we can call. We could even go into their office if we needed to. It's just really great to have a local business to work with and support, and that's what we enjoy the most about Intermax, I think.